國際消息，咱今來關心，這是美國加州南部面臨重大危機 ，Orange County 一間航太工廠的化學品櫥存槽嚴重故障，內部的溫度直透凊懸，有可能隨時爆炸。就講講有毒的氣體會引發災難性的死傷。加州的州長已經緊急宣布 Orange County 進入緊急狀態。大規模疏開5萬的居民，咱目前消防人員是繼續儲水來降溫。櫥存槽頂頭目前有發現一大壁唇，有可能會當透放內部的壓力，降低向爆炸的機會。
自天頂看落，這間佇加州的航太公司4顆鏈頂攏是水冷車，確確對化學櫥存槽泉水降溫。這個加壓的櫥存槽內底差不多裝6000到7000加侖，高達2萬外粒的甲基丙烯酸甲酯。這是一種真高燒有毒的原料，因為伊的外門故障，所以互內底溫度一直咧凊懸，隨時有可能發生災難性的連環爆炸。面對這粒無定時炸彈，附近5萬外位的民眾孤不離種，愛脫離家園。
I've worked in refineries my entire life, so I know the danger of the chemicals that they're talking about. What I don't understand is why they haven't been able to contain this. If this was in a refinery, this would have been contained already.
I'm worried about, California. We don't know what happened right now. We don't know how long we come back and how. It's never a thing. It's terrible.
因為脫離的人實在是太濟了，包括安娜罕也個杭丁頓海沙堡這個所在，避難所早就已經塌甲甜一甜，也個有真濟帶動不來民眾是無地通避。加州州長已經宣布局軍進入緊急狀態，會動員更較濟聯邦也個有州級的資源來鬥相共救災。那消防嘛透暝組成專案小組，到櫥存槽遮近距離勘查，已經有發現一寡轉機。
During that operation, our firefighters went in and they were able to visualize the tank. What they found was a potential crack in the tank, which could potentially be relieving some of the pressure in there. We took that information, we got data on it, and right now this morning what we're doing is we are vetting and validating that information.
專家講，這座壁唇即馬豆豆咧消透櫥存槽內底壓力，降低爆炸發生的機會。目前環保單位嘛已經佇咧4顆鏈頂用專業的設備監測空氣品質，確認無任何毒氣會去影響到民眾的健康。那這5萬外位防脫離的居民，都要等甲危機解除，才會使轉去家園。公視新聞，鄭偉林編譯。